Welcome back to the Riffsphere channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of Prowlarr. Prowlarr not only allows you to configure all indexers in one place, so all your apps are always up to date with API keys and seed requirements. It also uses a global API hit counter, so your apps don't spam your indexer when your API limit is hit. So, let's get started. To begin, open the Prowlarr web interface from the Docker tab. It will prompt you to set up authentication by entering a username and password. Now, let's head over to the General section in the settings. Add the URL, username, password, and API key for Prowlarr to flat notes for easy access. Next, we'll configure the integration with our other apps. In the App section under Settings, click the plus button to add each app you want to connect to Prowlarr. Give them clear and descriptive names, such as Sonar 4K, and set the sync level to full sync for seamless updates. Since all our apps are on the same custom network, we can connect them using their container names. Set the Prowlarr server to http://prowlarr9696 and configure the application server with the matching name and port. Retrieve the required API key from flat notes and enter it accordingly. After configuring each app, click the test button to ensure the settings are correct. The green checkmark will indicate a successful connection. Save your settings once everything is verified. Moving on to the download clients. Although Prowlarr doesn't manage downloads directly, we can still search for files across all our indexers and send them to our download clients. Follow the linked playlist to set up your download clients, using Prowlarr as the category. Now, let's add our indexers. In Prowlarr, go to the Indexers menu. Make sure to click the main one, not the one in Settings. Click Add Indexer. You'll notice that Prowlarr supports a wide range of indexers for both torrents and newsgroups. Let us know in the comments if you mainly use torrents or newsgroups, and private or public indexers. To add new indexers, you can search for specific ones if you already know what you're looking for. However, Prowlarr also provides filters that can help you explore and discover indexers based on your preferences. For example, you can filter by the type of content or language to find indexers that best suit your needs. Keep in mind that it's generally recommended to avoid public indexers due to potential limitations and inaccuracies. Private indexers are often more reliable and secure. Once you've chosen an indexer, configure it by providing a name and enabling it for use. For private indexers, you likely need to supply additional credentials like a username, password, API key, or cookie. Follow the provided instructions to obtain the necessary details. When configuring private torrent indexers, you can also select the option to freeleach to prioritize files that don't count towards your download ratio. Advanced options in Prowlarr allow for further customization. Set query and grab limits to stay within the indexer's usage restrictions. You can also specify a minimum seeders count to ensure faster and more reliable downloads. Additionally, seed ratio and seed time settings help you meet the requirements of specific indexers and maintain a healthy sharing ratio. After configuring an indexer, click the test button to verify your settings. If it tests successful, save your changes. Repeat this process to add all the desired indexers. Remember, it's better to have a few quality indexers rather than a long list of unreliable ones. Aim for 3 to 5 indexers that provide the content you're looking for. Once your indexers are configured, use the Sync App Indexers button to push the settings to your connected apps. Full sync will ensure all changes made in Prowlarr are applied automatically. If an indexer becomes offline or your account expires, simply delete it in Prowlarr. Similarly, update any changes in query or grab limits, seed ratio or time, in Prowlarr and sync to keep your apps up to date. Prowlarr will perform an automatic sync every 6 hours, ensuring seamless operation. For example, when the link to an indexer changes, even when you're not actively making changes. That's it. You've successfully configured Prowlarr to search across all your indexers and streamlined the integration with your apps. Enjoy the convenience of managing everything in one place while benefiting from global limits. Don't forget to add Prowlarr to Heimdall and enable auto start on the Docker tab. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.